let's try this one more again. It's been a long time since I turned the camera on. So, see if we'll give her a shot, see if she want to act right. And see what's going to let y'all see what's going on around here. So, let's see, it's been a couple, man, it's probably been, what, a couple months, really, since I've done any recording. We've been getting it in. We've been doing good, man. Been doing real good. 50, 60 loads every week. So, we've been doing good, man. Everything's been, you know, logging ain't always, you know how logging is. Everything is everything, but anyway, we on this block here, we already finished the first part of it. Now we back here in the back of it. Good little block of timber on a sand hill, so ground ain't the best, it ain't the worst, but the road is pretty decent. It's good. We good ways back here, man. I don't know, man. 2 miles maybe. I don't know, something like that. Maybe 2 miles back in the woods. But everything's been going, man. Amp went down yesterday. That's really the only thing I've had in the past 2 months, really. As far as major. If you can't tell, they got me back in my old loader right now. The trailer mount loader that I normally run, they got it. We went to the shop to get a boom cylinder pack and stuff on it. So hopefully they'll have it back soon. As much as I like this loader here, it's what I learned on and all that, you know, but she's slow compared to that trailer mounted loader. Right, much slower too. And you know, everybody always comes up here when they see this track loader. They always come up here and ask me, "What do you think about it? What do you think about it?" Well, man, it's all right. You know, there's a lot of people around here still run the trailer mount. Track loader's nice. Don't get me wrong. But it is not necessary. It's a luxury. So you don't have to have no track loader to log in eastern North Carolina. Obviously, I mean, people have done it for a long time without it. Is it nice to have? Oh yes. As far as when they're moving the decks and all that, it's nice. You know what I mean? But now, if this D-limber had a motor in it, and I could run my sawbuck off of the D-limber and move around whenever I wanted, then that would be great, but I can't. So it kind of defeats the whole purpose having tracks when you can't go nowhere. But as far as whenever moving, or like when Amp turned his truck over, or I have to go out there and unload a truck or something like that, it really shines then. Then you see what you paid the extra 100,000, 200,000 for. But this loader here, it's a good loader, man. She ain't never done me wrong. But man, it's slow. It's slow compared to that other loader. And the heel boom, this one, you know, has that live heel. That's a heck of a lot better too. I like that. I wish that trailer mount loader had it. That took a little getting used to, you know what I mean, having that heel boom in the way all the time. But yeah, today, let's see, what's today? Today is Wednesday 27th, I believe. It's almost Easter. We're going to have Monday off. And I'm going to actually take Monday and Tuesday off. My mom's coming down. And we're supposed to go fishing Tuesday. Lord willing, I'm trying to take this camera along. If anything cool happen, I'll let y'all know about it. Oh, and I got something else I want to talk to y'all about. I got some other projects. I got some other stuff going on. Some stuff I've been recording a little bit. I ain't put none of it out yet or not, but it's dealing with cars and stuff like that. But that might be coming out soon. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on this channel or start a separate channel. I don't know how to go about it yet. But let's see. Well, I got my wife a new car, so I got the old one. I got the old ride. I got the Escalade, and I done a few things to it. I want to see how fast I can get that joker to go. Anyway, y'all comment, let me know if y'all be interested in seeing anything like that. Also got a Mustang with a V6 in it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it or take the V6 out, put a V8 in it. Anyway, but yeah, y'all come in, see if y'all be interested in seeing any of that. If not, I might just make a separate channel, or don't watch the video. But anyway, that's kind of get y'all caught up what's going on. That's really about it. Supposed to have some rain coming in. I got a shot. I took a video on Monday, I think, what the road looked like, and man, we had some rain the weekend, and it really helped the road out a lot. That road's what you call, well, dead sand or whatever. So the drier it is, the worse it gets. But we're supposed to have some big rain coming in, either tonight, tomorrow. I think it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. I think it's supposed to come in tonight. Anyway, we're gonna see what happens, man. I wish I had recorded some of it for the past couple of weeks, man. That road was something else. We had to, shift down first gear to get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? That old dead sand bog you down. I don't know what that rain will do. A little bit of rain will help, but they calling for 3 inches. I don't know if we need no 3 inches. You know what I'm saying? Talk about rain. 3 inches is a lot. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. good load. Been having a lot of trouble with scales here lately, man. And DMV been having trouble with their scales too, but I can't tell you. I don't know. But I got several weight tickets in the past month, and then the truck get there to the mill and weigh something completely different. The last one was like almost 10,000 pounds different what the weigh ticket was. You know, $2,000 weigh ticket, and then the load gets delivered 10 minutes after the ticket's written, and it's 10,000 pounds different. That's a tough $2,000 to pay right there. Yeah. But I mean, there's ways to, I don't know, don't let me stick my head somewhere it don't belong, but there's ways to contest stuff like that. I don't know, that's up my pay grade there. I believe I about got, I know I got George and Hot Rod dialed in all day yesterday. I get them 90,000, 89.9, 90,100. But Amp been throwing me for a loop. I don't know. I don't know why. My scales are off, like about 3,000 pounds off. So normally if I load a truck 87, they ride at 90. If I load them 86.8, be 89.8. You know, give or take 100 pound fuel and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's my math that I go off of. I go for 87. I don't go for 9, I go for 87. Well, then you can mess around and you load. I loaded Amp Monday 85.5. Weighed 90,200. Come back, decided to knock them down to 85.3. Then the jerker weighed 88. He come back, I loaded him 87.8. He weighed 88.1. So y'all tell me what's, I don't know. Radio frequency, I don't know. Maybe he's setting his brakes different than everybody else, or different every time he gets up here. I don't know. Something. And I'll get the trucks to pull off. I'll weigh them out, get them to pull off, and back on, and weigh them out again, and they'll weigh different. Not just a little bit different, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 pounds different than what I just weighed them right before. I don't know if that's normal or not, but anyway, it's alright. Be thinking what we've had 2 weeks this year where we didn't reach bonus. This might be this week too. I don't know. I didn't get but 2 loads last Friday. Ain't had no quota. So I gotta get 48. 4 days, so that's 12 a day. I got 12 Monday, but I only got, let's see, I only got 7 yesterday. So, might swing some wood, boy. sure he didn't want to go down. Alright, better pull up. You hear me, Phil? Alright, better pull up, pull up, pull up. Radio. Hollywood?
Yeah, he said pull up.
Yeah, pull up, pull up.
Yeah, pull up right here, y'all.
What? Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, buddy, come here, I got you going. Alright, folks, I'm gonna get him some paperwork and get these trucks out of here, baby. Ain't that right, Bo?